In this video, we break down the top 5 best tennis racket for intermediate players you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best tennis racket for intermediate players on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best tennis racket for intermediate players are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Wilson Federer Tennis Racket. If you're just starting out or playing casually with friends or family, this racket is an affordable, reliable option that doesn't sacrifice style or comfort. While it may not meet the needs of advanced players looking for specialized features, the Wilson Federer racket excels in providing a solid all-around experience for those who want to enjoy the game. The Wilson Federer racket is ideal for beginners and recreational players. It's perfect for those just starting out or looking for a racket that's easy to use for casual play. Players who want a forgiving racket, the oversized head and large sweet spot make it easier to make good contact with the ball. Those looking for comfort and maneuverability, the lightweight design and comfortable grip make it easy to swing and play for extended periods. Players who value aesthetics, with its striking red, white, and black color scheme, this racket not only performs well, but looks good on the court. However, advanced players or those with a more aggressive playing style may find this racket a bit too lightweight or lacking in stability for high-level play. One of the first things you'll notice about the Wilson Federer racket is its sleek and stylish design. The red, white, and black color scheme gives it a modern, sporty appearance, with a combination of boldness and class that stands out on the court. Our second best tennis racket for intermediate players is Geo Speed Tennis Racket. Comfort is essential in a racket, especially for players who are just starting or playing recreationally. The Geo Speed offers good vibration dampening, which reduces the shock from off-center hits. This helps to keep your arm comfortable throughout long matches, and the ergonomic grip ensures that players can hold the racket without experiencing discomfort or fatigue. Its lightweight balance also contributes to less arm strain during prolonged play, making it a great racket for those who need something easy to handle, but still offering enough performance for competitive play. The Geo Speed features an open string pattern that enhances spin potential, allowing players to generate topspin or slice shots with ease. If you are someone who likes to add spin to your game, this racket provides excellent grip on the ball, allowing you to control the flight of your shots and change the pace of a rally. Whether you're aiming for the baseline or going for angled shots, the racket offers great maneuverability. The Geo Speed racket offers a balanced combination of power and control, ideal for players who are still developing their technique or looking for an all-around tool for recreational play. The lightweight design allows for easy acceleration on swings, letting players generate sufficient power without sacrificing accuracy. Whether you're practicing your ground strokes or taking your skills to the court for a match, Number 3 in our list is Yonex Vcore Ace Tennis Racket. One of the standout features of the Yonex Vcore Ace is its spin potential. The open 16x19 string pattern and isometric head shape work together to increase the surface area and offer excellent grip on the ball, making it easier to generate topspin or slice shots. Whether you're hitting from the baseline or approaching the net, this racket gives you the ability to shape your shots and control the direction of the ball, making it a great option for players who like to mix up their game with spin. In terms of maneuverability, the Vcore Ace does an excellent job of offering quick reactions. The lightweight frame allows you to make swift adjustments during fast rallies and volleys, which is essential for net play or when you're under pressure. Players will appreciate how easily the racket swings, helping to reduce fatigue during long matches. This racket is great for players looking for an agile, responsive tool that they can easily maneuver for both defensive and offensive play. The Yonex Vcore Ace is built with a sleek, modern aesthetic that combines the boldness of Tango Red with a clean, professional look. The graphite construction ensures that the racket is both durable and lightweight, providing a strong feel while maintaining agility. Fourth recommendation in our side is Dunlop CX Tennis Racket. The Dunlop CX team excels in terms of maneuverability, making it easier for players to swing and react quickly during fast rallies. Its lightweight frame and headlight balance allow for quick racket head speed, which is essential for generating spin and maneuvering the racket around the ball. The 16 by 19 string pattern ensures that players can generate some spin, especially if they are looking to develop their top spin or slice shots. The open string pattern provides a bit more grip on the ball, helping players get a feel for spin-based shots while still maintaining control over their game. This feature is perfect for beginners or players looking to develop their skills in hitting spin shots. With a 27-inch length, the CX team provides a balanced feel that's ideal for players who need both maneuverability and stability. The head size is generous, offering a larger sweet spot that improves performance, particularly for those who aren't yet hitting the ball perfectly every time. The pre-strung design is incredibly convenient, allowing you to take the racket straight out of the box and hit the courts without delay. The Dunlop Sports CX team. Last in our top 5 best tennis racket for intermediate players list is Babolat Evoke 105 strung tennis racket. Comfort is a key feature of the Babolat Evoke 105, especially for players who spend long hours on the court or those who experience arm discomfort during play. The graphite composite construction absorbs vibrations, providing a soft, comfortable feel during play. Additionally, the increased sweet spot helps reduce the harsh impact on off-center hits, further enhancing comfort. The ergonomic grip offers a secure hold, reducing strain and allowing players to maintain a natural, comfortable feel throughout their play. The handle's design also helps minimize fatigue during extended sessions, making it a great option for recreational players who enjoy longer matches or practice sessions. The Babolat Evoke 105 is designed to provide maximum power with an emphasis on comfort and control. The larger head size gives players a larger sweet spot, making it easier to hit with power, even if the ball is not perfectly centered. This is especially useful for beginners and recreational players who are still honing their strokes.